Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Facebook story highlights missing after publishing. So let's get started. First, go to your profile, and if your Facebook highlights is missing, then we have got some alternative solutions to take it back. So first, let's start with updating the Facebook. Go to the App Store and type Facebook on the search bar. If there is update option shown next to the Facebook app, then please update your Facebook. Updating Facebook typically involves installing the latest version of the Facebook. These updates serve several purposes and can bring various improvements and changes to the Facebook experiences. After the completion of your update, go to the Facebook and check your highlights. If it's still not available there, then go back to the settings. In settings, go to the general option. In general, click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on Facebook app. In Facebook app, there will be two options available: offload app and delete app. Offloading an app frees up storage space on a device by temporarily removing the app but keeps its data intact so that you can easily reinstall it later if needed. And that is it. These ways will definitely help you get your highlights back to your profile. And if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.